smiling a little bit. Here, you should go down and give her a kiss real quick. Just a little one. That'll make her smile. Or tickle her. Maddy? Is Aidan gonna tickle you a little bit? Oh, I don't think she liked that as much. I'll turn this on. This is a vibrator. She likes this. The whole seat shakes, doesn't it? But that make you tired. I'll turn it off. Maddy, are we making pancakes? There's Aidan. Whoa! And Maddy. Okay, what we got here, Aidan, you guys slide the chair over?
Yes.
We got a chef over there. We got one pan heated. We got a mix and we got chocolate chips. So this should be an interesting project. Watch your hand there. Pan's hot. Aidan, what are we gonna make? Can you tell the camera what you're gonna make?
Bad guys.
You're gonna make bad guys? You're gonna eat them then? You make chocolate chip pancakes. Aidan, do you want to eat it out of the bowl? Or you just tasting it?
Just tasting this.
Okay. Is it good? That's a big taste. Mmm. You should dip it in there and then put a chocolate chip on your finger.
Yeah.
That'd be good, won't it? Yep, and I'll try it. Is it good? Okay, just one, that's enough. Okay, we got the pancakes in there. Now keep your hand up high though, but go ahead and drop the chocolate chips in there. You drop some and Daddy drop some too. Well, not that high. You want to get them near the, you want to get them in the pancake. No, don't touch it. It's okay. It'll be fine there. Do you need more chocolate chips?
Yes.
Okay. There you go. So you just kind of drop them on there. You gonna put some in there too? Oh, Maddy wants to help. Maddy, you want to help?
Yes.
Yeah, Maddy. You like this song, don't you, The Proclaimers? Okay, we gotta watch Aidan here. There we go. Go ahead and drop them in there. Oh, good job. Put a couple more in there, though. You put like 4 or 5. Good job.
Can you eat the rest?
Yes. Let me put a couple more in there for you. And then you eat the rest, okay? You eat the rest. Mmm. It's good, isn't it? Do you like the song? Do you want to dance a little bit? You shake your moneymaker a little bit? Or you just watch pancakes? Okay, on this one we're going to make a smiley face. Ready? Gotta make the mouth now. Uh-oh, hopefully we got enough chips. Kind of looks like a smiley face, doesn't it? That's a smile there. That's a funny looking smiley face, isn't it? Okay, here. There's the smile. He's kind of got a smirk going there. It's not a straight smile. But that's a smiley face with 2 eyes, nose, and a mouth. Is that your pancake, the big one?
No.
Or is that Madison's? Ooh, we gotta flip that sucker. There's a finished product. Aidan, is it good? You being quiet, Aidan? I'm touching you. Mmm. And we got Maddy down there. She's snoozing a little bit. Is Maddy snoozing? Where's Maddy? She's snoozing. There's Daddy's. Glistening with syrup, isn't it? Is syrup or butter your favorite?
You can butter.
Both of them? Okay. You need a napkin? Oh, that's a big piece. You dipping it in syrup now? Or a little bit of chocolate? Mmm. Is that good? You need another pancake there. Get some more over here.